Hey everybody, today we are back at Palm Beach RV in West Palm Beach, and we're looking at this Reflection fifth wheel. It is model number 280RS. So let's take a look at the numbers. All right, so this one here, you got a 2,469 pound carrying capacity, right, with a gross vehicle weight of, let's just call that 11,000 pounds. So for a fifth wheel, this is very, very, very light. All right, now this one has an awning that it's probably only about 13 to 15 feet. It doesn't cover the whole side, about half the side, okay? In here is gonna be your propane. This is probably a nice 30-pound tank, okay? And here is your storage, pass through all the way. Now, Reflection is sort of the lower end, if you will, when it comes to the fifth wheels. See how this is raised up? So in other words, they don't have the drop frame down here. All right, so you don't have the extra storage. So this is it's just a little different, okay? You've got your basic RV steps here. You do have a really nice outdoor kitchen. However, there's no cooking. You got a TV, you got a little micro fridge. I suppose there's a spot where you can put a grill there for storage. And then when you get to where you're going, you can put a grill out here off to the side, because I'm pretty sure that's a hookup for propane right there, okay? It does have a ladder mounted to the back, so for those roof inspections, you can easily get up there. Also wired for Furrion backup camera. Now on this side, I'm gonna see how much I can see for you, but there's a tube for your hoses, for your sewer. All right, they got them kind of packed in here. It's kind of tight. All right, over here is the connection for the sewer. All right, and there's your tires. It does have upgraded suspension. It's got the CRE on it. I don't know if you can tell from back here, the blue on the other side. So it's got upgraded suspension from Moride on there. Okay. Here is where your wet bay would be, if I can open it up. All right, now this is your wet bay. So this is where you'd make all your water connections. Here's the pulls for all your sewer connections. And in here will be the controls for your jacking system. Now, it is auto level, but it is electric. It is not hydraulic, and it's not 6-point, it's only 4. So you got 2 here, and then there's 2 in the back. So it's a little different than traditional fifth wheels. It's because it's just a little bit smaller. Reflection from Grand Design. Well, hey Lisa, how are you doing?
Great, how are you?
Good, I see you're taking a little rest.
I'm taking a little bit of a breather.
Yeah. So hey guys, look, if you're ever in the West Palm Beach area and you're down here, come see the guys at Palm Beach RV. They've been very generous to us. We actually left their phone number down there. If you come here, please tell them the tall man sent you, okay? If you're seeing our videos for the first time, thank you so much for joining us. Do us a favor, smash the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, right? The YouTube algorithm loves it and it helps us out a lot. If you're already a subscriber, if you're coming back and watching our videos, thank you so much. We do absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much.
All right, welcome to the kitchen.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we have our island offset the way Robert likes it.
I like the offset islands.
We have a nice big stainless basin.
And you would rather see the 50-50 though.
We would rather see the 50-50, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's nice. It is, absolutely. Over here we have our microwave. We have a 3-burner stove with an oven.
All right, so this is not the residential type stove. This is more of an RV stove.
Correct. And then we have our RV refrigerator freezer.
Yep, Dometic. This is going to work on propane or electric.
Correct. We do have lots of storage over here behind you in this buffet area.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's power up here as well.
Excellent. So there's your coffee bar.
Exactly.
For you coffee baristas. Which is a nice way of saying coffee snob.
But there's some drawers there. Again, nice storage. Nope, that's not storage.
Now over here, there's your dinette. You know what's kind of neat? This side's a bench. Right? Like a little standalone bench. Right? See, it's got feet down there. So that's not built in, but there is storage underneath there. Right? And a standalone table too. It's just kind of neat looking how they did that. Right? 2 chairs. Then to the living room. When we first came in, you saw Lisa sitting over here. These are electric, at least in the sense of you've got massage and heat. But the recline part, you just got to pull that, and that's manual. Over there's a sofa that folds out to a bed, so if you have somebody visiting with you, there's an extra place for them to sleep. And there's some storage on the side, right? And then of course there's storage above. All right, now I haven't checked recently in some of the RVs we've been reviewing, but what kind of blinds? Do they have the day-night roller shades, or is it just night? I think it's just night. So no day-night roller shades in this particular model, all right? Now across from these nice theater seats is your theater. Now it's your living room TV, okay? Beneath it, got a nice gray stone fireplace. That little black glass area in the middle, that's where you could put your cable box or whatever, okay? And there is some storage up above. There is sound wired in here. My guess is it's behind here, yeah. So you got a little Jensen sound system. So let's walk up towards the front and see what kind of trouble we can get in up there, huh? All right, so what's going on up here? Oh, hey, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
So like most Grand Design fifth wheels we get in, plenty of leg room in the bathrooms, all right, for all you tall people. If I didn't mention it, again, I am 6'4", and so if you're tall like me, whether you're a guy or a girl, this is definitely Now right across from here is your sink. It's not undercounter mount, but that's okay. Again, this is sort of their entry-level type fifth wheel. Most manufacturers, you got your basic fifth wheel, and then they have high-end models. So this is the basic one. All right, there's some storage underneath, which is nice. Got some drawers here. There's also a nice medicine chest up here. And also things that you get to a little more frequently. There's a little thing here. But here's a couple nice things I want to point out. There's a towel bar already mounted right here. There's a towel bar already mounted right here. And look in the shower. See this? Here's a line for hanging up your clothes to dry if you want to hang dry inside. I have yet seen any RV with that, okay? By the way, since I'm already in the shower, as you can see, I fit and I fit well, okay? Shower head's in the perfect spot. This is a little low, but it's not too low, okay? Plenty of leg room left to right, front to back. There's some shelves to put stuff in here. There's even like a little basket for you to hang stuff in, or shove stuff in. So all in all, guys, and one thing that I did forget, there's a little cabinet back here. I'm assuming that's gonna be where you gotta put your towels. All right, so let's go up into the bedroom and see what we're going on up here. Now, this looks like it's queen size, okay? Not a king. You could probably squeeze a king. You'd have to order it that way because you see where the end tables are. There's no place to put a king mattress in there. So this is a queen. There is storage all above. There's some storage down below. There's plugs for your charging, right? There's a little nook shelf up there, which is kind of great. Now, as far as closets go, your main closet is right there, right? So here would be your hanging area up there. And then down there you have some drawers. If you want to mount a TV, your TV would go right there, all right? All right, so this is our first time actually in a reflection. We've been looking at a lot of Solitudes. And so, you know, do you guys already have a reflection? What do you think of it? Leave a comment down below and let us know, all right? Until we see you guys again, be safe.